Hey everyone, today we're unboxing our popular Everything But the Board Vision Board Kit from Live Your Dream Board. This kit includes all the key ingredients that you will need to kickstart your path to achieving your goals. From the high-quality goal-setting workbook to the precision creating tools, this kit is a game changer. It's a complete package for those of you looking to build a vision board that truly resonates with your ambitions and your aspirations. This is our most economical option, so if you already have your backdrop and you just need all the tools, look no further. This kit offers everything from our deluxe board kits that cater to your goal-setting needs. If you already own the backdrop for your vision board, maybe you already have a cork board or a poster board, this is the kit for you. It's perfectly packaged with 2 reusable zipper pouches. You'll find one pouch contains your workbook and graphics, the other has all the tools needed to create your masterpiece. You do not have to drive to 10 different stores to get all your supplies. Everything is right here. So if you look inside, the large pouch is our sturdy folder, which holds the goal-setting workbook, which is your step-by-step goal-setting guide. Inside the workbook are pages devoted to the 6 key areas of your life, so you can take time to focus, strategize your life around these areas. And a fun exercise that everyone enjoys doing is choosing their word of the year. This word will be your most guiding word and a blend of all your goals that you want to accomplish over the next 12 months. Also included in the larger pouch are the beautiful full graphics, images, quote boxes, inspirational photos, which will be the foundation of your board. They're pretty, but most importantly, they will inspire you in your board creating process. The smaller zipper pouch houses all the tools needed. This includes your scissors, gel pen, glue stick pins if you choose to pin instead of gluing your elements on your board, 3D photo mounting squares, and hanging hardware. Everything But the Board isn't just a kit. It's a pathway to realizing your dreams and aspirations. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your goal-setting experience and make a lasting impact on your life. Order now for yourself or maybe surprise a loved one with the perfect gift. We're here to help answer any of your questions, so make sure to visit us today at liveyourdreamboard.com.